Hey everyone, today we are going to look at the Build Anything book. This is our ebook that we created with over 250 MakerPipe builds. We did this as a way to give you an idea of what people can create with MakerPipe, the problems they can solve, and how they went about it. We're just going to look at a few out of the book today, but if you like what you see, if you want to see more, go to the website and sign up to get the book. Let's get right into it. First one we've got is a deck covering. It's pretty simple shed style deck covering where they stretched the tarp over the patio and then use conduit and MakerPipe to make that frame. A lot of different applications there. If you have a deck, want to have some privacy or some shade, this might be a good solution for you. The next one we have is a chicken enclosure. This chicken run was made out of conduit and our connectors, and it was made to be mobile, to be lifted around the yard and provide a good place for the chickens. I love this one, really cool build. Next one is a mobile detailing unit. So this customer had a mobile detailing business and it needed a way to organize the back of their truck. So they created these shelves, different levels for all their specific gear, and even gave it some LEDs for that extra touch. Really cool. Next one is a golf simulator. So this person made a golf simulator in their garage and needed a way to not only mount the screen, but also create a surround so they don't put golf balls through all their walls of their garage. So that's what they created. They created the framework with our connectors and EMT, draped a net over it, and then set up this projector screen. Really cool, kind of dedicated build. Next one is a Gaga Ball Pit, which is an outdoor game, and they created this with conduit, made this enclosure to play Gaga Ball, which was new to me, but really cool, specific thing you can do with MakerPipe. Here's one that's everybody that has a garage might struggle with this. It's that space that's lost on top of the roll-up door. And what they did was they created a frame here so they could reclaim that and use it as storage. The frame's made out of just T connectors, and they used some perforated angle iron to mount it to the wall. Really neat build, and get a little bit more storage in the garage. This next one is a headrest for a recumbent bike. Pretty specific thing, but the customer said that it would have cost them hundreds of dollars to buy this specific headrest, and they were able to make it for a couple bucks with our connector and EMT conduit, which is always good to hear when we hear customers have saved money using our product. Next one is a raised bed with a climber section. You can see the netting here for tomato plants, and then shade cloth stretched over it. And a really cool raised bed where they used EMT conduit as the sides and then hay bales and then planted inside of the hay bales. Great build there. Next one is an amazing one. It is a dog walking attachment for this kick bike. So the problem is the dog might get into the wheels or something not good. So they created this quick frame that holds the leash out from the bike so the dog can run next to it. Really interesting and neat solution to their problem. Here's a holiday archway at the end of this sidewalk where they were able to decorate it for the holiday. Very neat. And we also do these mini connectors that allow people to prototype their builds. So if they're not sure how to make it, you can use these 3D printed connectors to put it together. And here is an overhead camera rig. So if you need to shoot straight down on a table, they prototype that build with the MakerPipe minis. As you would imagine, it's great for storage too. Here's one where the customer took specific bins and an area in their basement and then created a storage solution out of conduit and our connectors. Here is a summertime, it looks great, doesn't it? It's nice and green, backyard, and they used conduit and MakerPipe to create this frame as an extension to their fence to hang lights on. It really looks like a great place to spend the night. Here's a sunroom where they created a patio couch out of conduit and then wrapped it in our black shrink wrap and did some custom cushions and everything. Really cool piece of furniture they made out of conduit. Here is a studio. So this person was doing some video and photo work and needed a place to hang lights, put cameras, monitors, and create the images and videos that they needed. And they used conduit and maker pipe as a way to hold everything in place. Really great example of how it might be used in photography and videography. And the last one we've got is a beautiful Toyota Land Cruiser, and the customer made a safari basket or this roof rack on top out of EMT conduit, and even was able to make this ladder off the back. And it looks fantastic. I hope you enjoyed those builds. I hope it gave you some ideas and inspiration. If you want to see more, go to the website, sign up for the ebook. We really hope that it helps you solve your DIY project. And if we can be of assistance, we're happy to do so. Leave a comment in the video. We'll definitely get back to you, or get in touch with us directly, and we'll try to help you out any way we can. Thanks everybody for watching. See you next time.